I can go on talking about Mr. Samir Modi. It might take me hours, and I don't think I will get tired, because the man, his vision, his clarity of thought, his warm-heartedness, his thinking of saying, मैं दुनिया, हिंदुस्तान क्या दुनिया भर में लोगों को आज़ादी दूंगा. Ladies and gentlemen, he has already given Azadi to millions of Indians, and now, he is talking about giving Azadi in our international markets. 2 days back, he told me, Rahul, I want to go and give Azadi to Britishers. I want to go to London. बोलते, let's go and open UK. अंग्रेजों ने हम पे राज किया, कोई बात नहीं, हम चल के उनको आज़ादी देते हैं. Let's give them their Azadi. Ladies and gentlemen, the man, the poor man's messiah, वो इंसान जो selflessly अपने बारे में ना सोच के अपने consultants के बारे में, underprivileged लोगों के बारे में हमेशा सोचते हैं. Somebody for whom आपका success, your success is more important than anything else. Your dreams are more important than probably his own dreams. He's got only one dream, to give Azadi to every Indian. I don't want to spend more time talking. I want to introduce you all to our one and only Mr. Samir Modi. Thank
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಕ್ರಾಂತಿಕಾರಿ ಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾನಾ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಎಂದು ಭಾವಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Thank you, sir.
I am very happy and proud to be here with all of you, and it is my privilege to be here. I'd like to welcome you all to the Modi Care event, and I hope that this event is one of many. I'm very proud to talk to the Karnataka people, and I hope that all of you are safe and healthy, and your families are safe and healthy, which is very, very important. That has started out of Bangalore city. Episode that one has gone through. Of course, we have Savita ji and Raju ji as well, who have been with us since that long as well. And both of them are part of Samir Modi committee. So, largest company in India, and we're slowly moving toward the second largest company in India. So, very big thank you to all our consultants, to all our leaders, and to management of Modi Care for making this happen. Very big thank you. They're very exciting times as well. I know that we are in the midst of COVID-19, and it is also very scary for us. But at the same time, your company, Modi Care, is one of the fastest growing companies, where Rahul shared that the turnover of 175 crores last month, and over 300,000 people joining us. That is a mark of resilience. That is a mark of people coming into Modi Care, people finding the Modi Care opportunity wonderful. As COVID-19 spreads or gets in control, I know there's more and more opportunities to reach out to people, to give them an alternate work, an alternate business, an alternate way to live. That is through the Modi Care opportunity. I am very proud to be part of this family. I am very proud to be steering your company, Modi Care, under the management team of Modi Care, who have truly made us believe that we can touch the sky. If we touch the sky, I know with full confidence that all of you will also touch the sky. In fact, it's the other way around. If you touch the sky, I feel me and the management team will also touch the sky. So a very big thank you to you all for making that happen, for the belief, for the confidence, for making me believe that we can do anything that we put our heart to. For making me believe, सोच बदलो, खुद को बदलो, दुनिया बदलो is here to stay. It has been written in history that these 6 words have changed India. These 6 words will slowly change the rest of the world. As Rahul shared that we are soon opening the UK, United Kingdom, from London, so that we can truly take the Indian flag all across the world. Yes, the Britishers came and ruled on us. And it's time for us to rule over the Britishers. If we can succeed here in India with thousands and thousands of people joining us, I am sure that we will get thousands and thousands of people joining us in the UK as well. So hold on, fasten your seatbelt, start preparing that your company Modicare is soon coming into the United Kingdom and soon launching our first international country. We are in the next year planning to open Sri Lanka, we plan to open Bangladesh, plan to open Nepal, plan to open the UAE, and we are planning to looking at opening Malaysia. But more than anything else, my first and only one more priority today is opening the UK. Because that is firstly, no Indian company has dared to go so far, and no Indian company is confident that they will give true Azadi. And which is the topic of our event today, Azadi Champions, where you all are truly champions in my heart. As Diwali approaches us in the next few months, there are many exciting things coming your way. New products, but more than new products, value products. So, a new toothpaste, new shampoos, sachets, we're launching about 6 variants of soaps coming in, there are more cleaners coming in, more wellness products coming in, more cosmetics coming in. I can't stop at the number of products coming out. They're close to this year, we're looking at close to a few hundred products coming into the portfolio. But these products will truly change the destinies of people. Can you imagine a 3 rupee sachet of shampoo, or a 25 rupee soap, or under 60 rupees toothpaste, or an opportunity that gives you more freedom, more independence, more the ability to lead your own life the way you want to lead your life. So we are making sure, and I'm fully dedicated along with the management team, that we will make sure that you become Azad. Azad in mind, Azad in thought, Azad in lifestyle, and Azad from happiness.